we would talk to your existing supplier, whether it's BT or whoever it is. We agree a date that works with your time frame when you want to move that number to the cloud. And we arrange what's called a porting form, which you sign to say, I'm happy for these numbers to transfer from the old supplier to CFone on an agreed date. And while that's happening, and that takes about 10 days, we build your system, we configure your phones, we deliver them on site, we provide your training, so that your managers, bursars, head teachers are all confident that the phone system does exactly what it should, and your staff have had the training so they're proficient and they know how to use the phone system. And then finally, Steve, what we do is we provide a number on that phone system for you to make calls on right away, and we divert your old original number to the new cloud phone system. And when that happens, you can make and receive calls on your new phone system. And then about 5 days later, your number ports in the background, and it's not a big event, it's just something that happens in the background with no disruption to service.